So now in this example, I'm going to take the data from web and that we will clean that data using Power Query Editor. So this is the link on web. Let's open it once. And we want to take data from this link and analyze. So let's scroll down and we can see a lot of tables here. This table is giving me the list of winners year wise as well. Like in 1960, host was France, but the winner was Soviet Union. And a lot of tables. Basically, I want to find out the result of this championship year wise. So in case I go ahead and do it manually, I have to copy paste it. Then I will get all the flags as well, which I have to remove manually. I will have to remove these details and all manually. So basically I need 1960 Soviet Union, 1964 Spain, 1968 Italy. So instead of doing it manually, how to do it using Power Query. So let's move to this Excel sheet. We have this link with us. Go to data, get data from web, click on URL, enter the URL of that page, wiki page, say OK and connect. It's going to give me all the tables on that page here as different tables. But only one is relevant for me, which is results, because I want results, right? This is the table I got. And then look at the data has been imported, the manner, right? Year, host, 1960 details. This is the winner, Soviet Union, 1964, Spain. Load the data and you got the data like this, results. Now, how to make it analyzable? This is the question. How to clean it? Let's double click on it and it will open Power Query Editor for me. These are the additional capabilities which have been introduced in Power Queries. Look at the options we have. Choose columns, remove rows. On a click, you would be fixing everything, right? In case your table does not have a proper header, like in this case, so you can click on use first row as headers. So that will be done automatically. A lot of options are here. So we will take this example and explore these options. So first of all, what I will do, I want to make this second row as my header. So I will click on use first row as header and click again. So basically the correct header has come to the place. This is the first step. Second step, I want only this column and this column. Rest of the columns are not relevant for me. So I will go to choose columns or remove columns and I will click on remove other columns. So it will leave only two selected columns and remove all the other columns. Better, right? What else I need to do? 2020 and 2024 are future years. So the winners are not available. What will I do? I will say, can I see any relation related to any option related to remove rows? Yes, we have remove rows, remove top rows, remove bottom rows. So I will go ahead with remove bottom rows. Now it will ask me how many rows. I will say 2, gone, right? I can see these two also as extra ones. So let's click here and try to sort it out. So probably we will have them somewhere from where we can delete them. So we have this particular row. Okay, so let's click here and sort it again. We can delete the bottom row. So remove rows from bottom 1. Okay, that also went. Now this one is one extra row, right? So click on this. It is at the top. Remove rows, top rows, one removed, right? So our winner column is clean. Now what else is remaining? I need to clean these details words from all the cells, right? How to go ahead with that? I will say go to transform, and I will try with something like replace value, replace value. So value to find details and replace it with none. And I will say okay. So that's also gone. Now I can sort it, and I have the results in hand from the year 1960 to 2016 in sequence. So this is how we can use Power Query Editor for fixing the data very, very quickly. And I showed you through an example also. And another capability that we can pick any data from web and various other sources in table formats using Power Query Editor. So this is one of the very, very amazing feature Microsoft introduced in 2016. I know people who are good at Excel, but they are not aware of these features. So guys, keep yourself updated. In 2019 as well, we got so many other features, and in 2020 we are expecting some more. So keep yourself updated.